Liebherr, the recognized specialist in refrigeration technology worldwide, announces what's new in its built-in refrigeration product line. Liebherr knows that your lifestyle is unique. The expanded built-in product line addresses every refrigeration need and lets you choose which options are important to you. Wine lover? Choose wine storage in the refrigerator. Shop infrequently or love organic markets? Choose BioFresh to preserve your groceries up to 3 times longer. Need extra capacity in the freezer? Choose the full freezer as one of the tower options. Liebherr's side-by-side refrigerators provide choice in function and in design, with cabinetry finish frames or overlays as a side-by-side. Or Liebherr's signature stainless steel in individual towers. It's really all about choice and flexibility in the custom kitchen. Gorgeous on the outside and packed full of premium features on the inside. Consider Liebherr's patented BioFresh technology with newly designed full extension drawers for the best in food preservation. BioFresh safes provide the perfect climate for keeping food fresh longer. With the optimum balance of temperature and humidity, food retains its vitamins and minerals, delicate flavor and attractive appearance for up to 3 times longer than in a normal refrigerator compartment. DrySafe is ideal for storing meat, fish, and dairy products, while fruit and vegetables are best kept in the HydroSafe with a high level of humidity. Precision electronics ensure that the temperature is accurately maintained just above plus 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, to prevent your food from freezing. Speaking of electronics, Liebherr's Magic Eye touch control panel is a unique roadmap to performance and constant accurate temperature control. A smooth, new sensor-based screen reacts to your light touch, and because there are no buttons, it's easily wiped clean. Liebherr's new patented soft system technology allows the doors to close softly and gently, even when the doors are fully loaded, and even when the doors are slammed shut. The water filter for the ice maker in the built-in series has a new home behind the toe kick. This makes changing the filter quick and easy. A new carbon block filter guarantees the purest water, filtering particles less than 1 micron in size for ice cube perfection, free of taste and odor. New Vario boxes, configurable for various container sizes, provide greater storage options. The boxes move from fridge to table with ease. In addition, expect all Liebherr's proven details, such as glass-lined shelving, both tough and practical as light shines through for a brighter interior. Removable shelving allows for food or flexible bottle storage above the BioFresh compartments. And clever VarioSpace drawers that create extra storage space for larger items. Last, but certainly not least, energy-efficient LED lighting is now a standard in all new models. Yet another milestone in Liebherr's more than 20-year history of green and sustainable practices, and another important part of Liebherr's corporate Active Green initiative. New models, new features, new thinking. The latest in design, quality, and innovation.